Okay. How to write the capital E? Straight line, one sleeping line, two sleeping line, and three sleeping line. Very easy. Okay, this is capital E. Okay, now we are going to write small c, small e. We have to put like a C and we have to join it from here. This is an easy way to write E. If you are struggling to write E means you can follow this. How? See how it is. Put it like a C and join it this edge. Join it this edge. Okay. This is small e and this is capital E. Okay. Now we are going to study the sound of E. The E sounds like yeah, like a. Okay, we should not pronounce like a, yeah. We have to cut it off. Actually, the E sounds like a. Okay, but we should not pronounce it a. Okay, the E sounds like. The E sounds like egg. Okay, egg. Okay, the E sounds like egg. Okay, E sounds like egg. Okay. The E sounds like and E for egg. Okay, how we are pronouncing it? Egg. Okay, the E sounds okay. Now we learn the letter E. The E sounds like no, it's not like a sounds like E sounds like a. The E sounds like a, not a. Okay, now let's go to the next letter. What is the next letter after E? After E? F. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the next letter F. F. The F sounds like f. Okay, if something is dusty, what will we do? The same sound. Okay, okay. The F sounds if something dust, what will we do? The same sound. Okay, now let's go to the board. Okay, how to write a capital F? You have to put a straight line and one sleeping line and two sleeping line. If you put 3, then it will become E. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the small f. How to write the small f? Have to give a gentle bend, and we have to put a sleeping line. Okay. This is capital F and this is small f. The F sounds like f. Now listen my mouth, how my mouth is pronouncing f. The F sounds like f. Okay. The F sounds like f. The F sounds like fan. Okay, I'm going to draw the fan. Okay. The F sounds like f. The F sound like f. Fan. Okay. The The F sounds like f, f, fan. Okay, now we learn the sound of the letter F. Now we learn the sound. Now we learn the letter F sound. That sounds like f, 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 f. Okay, after F, A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, G. Yes, now we are going to learn the sound of the letter G. Let's go to the next letter G. G, 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 G. The G sounds like G, 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 G. The G sounds like G, 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 G. Now I have to pronounce it from here. G, G, G. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how to write capital G and small g. How will you write this capital G? You have to write it like a C. You have to put a straight line. Capital G and the small g. Okay, this is capital G and small g. Okay, now sing together the G, the G, the G, G, G. The G sounds like G, 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 G. Grapes. Okay, now let's draw how the grapes. Okay, my grapes looks ugly, isn't it? No problem. Okay, the G sounds like G, 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 G. Pronounce it from here. G, G, G. Open your mouth. G, G, G. Okay, now let's sing a song together. The G sounds like G, 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 G. The G sounds like G, 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 G. Now we learn the letter G. It sounds like a G, 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 G. Let's go to the next letter. H. Yes, the H sounds like H, 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 H. Okay, now let's see how the H sounds like. Now we are going to see how to write capital H and small h. Okay. How to write capital H? One straight line and one more straight line and join the straight line by sleeping line. Okay. How to write small h? Draw a line and just give a curve like this. Okay. This is capital H and this is small h. Okay. Capital H and small h is this. Okay. Okay. The H sounds like ha, ha, ha. The H sounds like ha, 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 ha. Okay, you have to pronounce it like husky. Okay, if you want something, how will you ask your mother? If you're asking ice cream to your mother, when your father hearing the ice cream sound, how he will react? He will give a nice bit, isn't it? So now we are going to ask ice cream very huskily to your mother. How will you ask ice cream? Mom, ice cream. The same husky sound here. Okay. How will you pronounce H? How the sound H? What is the sound of H? Ha, 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 ha. Okay. The letter H sounds like ha, ha, ha. The H sounds like ha, 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 house. Okay, let's draw the house. Take your paper and pencil, draw the house. Just put a triangle like this and make it a square. Okay, this is house. H sounds like ha, 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 house. The H sounds like ha, 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 house. Okay, now let's move to the next letter. After H, no, I'm not hearing. Loud, 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 loud. Left your laziness, throw it out your laziness. Shout, shout, shout. After H, I. The I sounds like E. Okay, now let's write how to write the capital I. Straight line and one sleeping line, and here is another sleeping line. Okay, how to write the small I? It's very easy, isn't it? We have to write it like a one, and we have to just keep the point here. Dot. Okay, this is capital I and this is small I. Okay, I for ink, anything, or injection. I for injection. Are you afraid about injection? Yes, I too very scared about injection. Okay, okay. The I sounds like E. We should not pronounce it like E, but it's similar to E. The I sounds like E. Injection or ink. Okay, the I sounds like it sounds like E, but we should not pronounce like E. Okay, okay. Let's sing together. What is the sound of I? Now we learn the letter I. It sounds like E. It sounds like E. After I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Yes, correct. Okay, now we are going to learn the sound of letter J. Okay, okay. Let's see how to write the letter J. We have to draw the sleeping line and we have to make it like this and just give a curve. Okay, next small j, how the small j looks like? Small j. You have to keep a dot like this. This is capital J and this is small j. Okay, this is capital J and small j. Please think this is a jug. Okay, okay. Usually the jug contains juice, water. Yes, okay. The letter J sounds like J, 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 J. The letter J sounds like J, 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 J. The letter J, the letter J, the letter J. The letter J sounds like J, J, J. Stand up, everybody, stand up. Just stand up. Jump, jump, jump. The letter J sounds like a J, J, J. The letter A sounds like. The letter A sounds like a J, J, J. Come on, everybody, come on, jump, jump, jump. The letter J. The letter J. The letter J sounds like a J, 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 J. Okay, J, J, jug. J, J, jug. Okay, the letter J sounds like ja, ja, ja. Okay.